everyone, today I'll be reading to you Olivia and the Rain Dance. Olivia and the Rain Dance. Olivia, Ian, and Francine are going to the park. They will have a boat race. Hey, where is the water? Asks Ian. It has not rained in weeks, said Mr. Greengrass. It might not rain again for a long time. If only I could control the weather, says Olivia. That gives Olivia an idea. I wonder. We can make it rain, she says. Olivia, Francine, and Ian dress up for a rain dance. Just do what I do, says Olivia. Reach to the sky. Now spin like a top. And now just do whatever you want, says Olivia. Drip, drop. It is working, cries Olivia. It is only Ian, says Francine. But Ian gives Olivia an idea. We can fill up the ponds with the hose, she says. Olivia, Ian, and Francine pull and pull and pull. But the hose is not long enough. Pull harder, says Olivia. Francine drops the hose. Olivia and Ian go flying. Oops, sorry, cries Francine. Olivia has another idea. Water balloons. How'll we get all these water balloons to the pond? Asks Francine. Olivia smiles. She knows just what to do. Ready, aim, fire, she commands. Splat. We can have a boat race without water, says Ian. Olivia sees Connor go by on his skateboard. She knows just what to do. We can have a boat race without water. Follow me, says Olivia. Welcome to Olivia's first annual toy boat race on dry land, says Olivia. Go Ian, go Francine, go Olivia. It is a three-way tie. Then boom! It starts to thunder. Then it starts to rain. It is still raining at bedtime. Olivia smiles. They can have a water boat race tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!